Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change your engine air filter. First, gather your tools, which usually include a screwdriver and your brand new air filter. It's super important to make sure your vehicle's engine is completely cool to the touch before you begin. Next, you'll need to locate the air filter housing. It's typically a large, black plastic box found under the hood, often near the front of the engine compartment. Now that you've located the housing, it's time to open it up. You'll either find clips or screws holding the cover in place. Unclip or unscrew them carefully. Once those are loose, gently lift the housing cover to reveal the old air filter inside. Take a quick moment to observe how the old filter is seated, paying attention to its direction. Then, simply pull out the dirty filter. With the old filter out, take a moment to wipe away any leaves, dust, or debris from inside the air filter housing. This ensures a clean seal. Now, carefully take your new, clean air filter and insert it into the housing. Make sure it's oriented exactly the same way the old one was. Press it down gently to ensure it sits snugly and evenly. Finally, replace the housing cover. Once the cover is back on, refasten all the clips or screws you removed earlier, making sure everything is tight and secure. Give the housing a quick check to ensure it's completely sealed, preventing any unfiltered air from entering. With your new air filter in place, you'll enjoy benefits like improved engine performance, better fuel efficiency, and reduced emissions. Regular changes are a simple way to extend your engine's life.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.